Hey guys, Ken here, your South Carolina connection. Just wanted to show you a couple things about the new Mustang. This is going to apply to not only a new Mustang, but anything from 2015 and up. With your remote key fob, you can remotely open up your windows. Hit the unlock button once, hold it down for 4 seconds, and voila. One thing you might not know is that your remote access to the door, vehicle's locked, key is in my pocket, unlocks, and then a touch of the finger locks it. Another feature you might not know about is the release button for the trunk. Not only do you have it on your remote, you also have it inside the vehicle, and then there's also a touch button by the license plate that'll open up the trunk as well. Another convenient feature that's hidden in plain sight is your sunglass holder. Got a lot of stuff in your glove box? Well, check this out. It's a driver's manual holder. Let's open up the glove box. See this yellow tab? Push down on that. That compartment opens up. In goes our driver's manual. Probably the most important thing that you need to know about your Mustang that you don't know is in certain situations, the radio frequency between your key and the vehicle can be jammed. However, to get past that, you simply remove the cup holder, drop the key down into the recessed hole in the cup holder for a quick and easy start. Hopefully you enjoyed this video today. If you have any comments, please leave them below, and remember to like and subscribe.